Today I'm going to give you my review of this WOA WOA 4-step foldable step ladder. This 4-step ladder was actually sent to me by the manufacturer to test and review. So today I'm going to show you the build quality, stability, and whether it's actually worth buying. And out of the box, it came fully assembled, which I always appreciate with ladders like this. There's no hardware to install or pieces to connect. You just open it up and it's ready to use. And when it comes to the build quality, this 4-step ladder is made of aluminum material, including the steps. And it's lightweight, so it's really easy to move it around the house. It's not like those big construction ladders that are heavy and bulky. If you need to fix something or reach something up high, you can just grab it and bring it wherever you need to. This step ladder is super handy and really easy to use. Just push the top step down to open it, then pull the top step up to close. And I will say that this step ladder has become a must-have in my house. We use it in the kitchen to reach the top shelves of our cupboards. This 4-step ladder is also great for maintenance and a great tool when doing repairs around the house, especially on hard-to-reach places. Maintenance like changing a light bulb or replacing batteries in emergency devices on the ceiling. As you can see here, I'm using all 4 steps to comfortably reach the ceiling. Even on the top step, I don't have to worry about stability. This step ladder feels very sturdy, and the safety handle gives me extra support. Plus, this ladder can hold up to 300 pounds. The anti-slip ladder feet prevents sliding and scratching, so you can safely use it in different surfaces around the house. And when I say around the house, it's not just indoors, but you can also safely use it outdoors without any hassle. And when it comes to looks, I really like the overall design of this ladder. It has a really clean, modern look and doesn't feel bulky like a lot of traditional step ladders. The steps are wide and deep, so you can use it comfortably without needing safety shoes. As you can see, I'm just wearing socks and my feet feel perfectly fine on the steps, which is especially important if you'll be standing on the ladder for longer periods of time than usual. What I also like about this ladder is how easy it is to store. This ladder is super thin when folded, only about 1.8 inches thick. So it can easily hang on the wall or even fit behind the door. Besides the 4-step ladder, you can also get this in 2-step, 3-step, 5-step, and 6-step. And it also comes in different colors. So guys, this is the 4-step foldable step ladder from WOA WOA. Get yours today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.